Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online in Canada. First, make sure you have a valid Amazon.ca jobs account or create a new one. Then, prepare your updated resume highlighting skills and experience relevant to the role. Next, gather any required documents, such as work permits, ID, or certifications. Decide the type of Amazon job you want, such as warehouse, delivery, tech, or corporate roles. Then, go to the official Amazon Jobs Canada website in your browser. Use the search bar and filters to look for jobs by city, province, or job category. Now, select a job listing to read the description, requirements, and qualifications carefully. Then, click Apply Now and log in with your account to start the application process. Fill out the online application form with your personal and work details. Then, upload your resume and supporting documents as requested. Review your information carefully and then click Submit Application. Finally, wait for a confirmation email and keep checking your account for interview updates. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.